Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. Unfortunately, it was mainly all in the bearish direction. But going into Friday, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while, but when stocks like this get beat down relatively quickly, of course there's no such thing as a guarantee, but it's also not necessarily shocking to see pretty big snapback type bounces. So that's what I'm very curious about moving forward. Is there going to be any sort of type of snapback type movement? And the first level to watch very closely, if there is going to be anything like that, is going to be right here at 14.5 cents. So 14.5, one of those levels where, again, it's not a guarantee, but it would at least make sense. It would at least be a valid thought process to have that if the price works its way up there, gets the break, for you to then think, okay, yeah, this has a chance at getting some good solid volume. This has a chance at building some momentum. Again, that doesn't mean it's for sure going to happen. But right now, thinking, hey, this thing is going to get some great volume. This thing is going to get some upwards movement. There's nothing really that would lead you to think that in an irrational way. But again, if the price can start to work its way up there and not only, work its way up there, but then get the break of that level, it becomes much more valid and logical at that point. So you're going to want to keep a very close eye on 14.5 cents from the resistance side of things. If that area can be broken, then the next key level to watch very closely would then just be right up here at the 15-cent mark. As far as levels of support are concerned, just want to squeeze things down here to offer up a little bit more context there. In fact, these are some old annotations. But as you can see here, it has been a long time since the price has been down at this level. Perhaps maybe even this is all-time lows, but nothing fancy or complicated here in terms of levels, of support. Zoom back in here. Other than the fact of, well, where did the bleeding and finally stopped today, and the bleeding finally stopped right around 0.141. So 0.141, 0.142, right around that general area, or if you just want to call it 14 cents. But with stocks like this, those decimal points matter. But keep an eye on those levels moving forward, and we'll see if the price can try to get some sort of snapback bounce on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.